Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, the D Shanduk Nida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today, I will be unboxing my PetTreater box for July 2018. As usual, I will leave all the information down below about PetTreater. Let's go ahead and get started. I still have PetTreater. I'm still hanging on to him because I'm trying to give him a chance. I do kind of like him. Sometimes they can be hit or miss, but for the most part, the things that I get in there, my dog likes. So that's why I'm keeping it around, all right? And plus, we get things for humans in here as well. I believe PetTreater, and I haven't opened this yet, so I got my scissors here. PetTreater is, I know that they are in the same state that I live in, so they're not far from me, probably like the next town over or two. And you fill out a profile that is based on the size of your dog. So whatever size your dog is, the box will be customized to that. All right, so Romeo is here. He's excited. You excited? If you saw my last unboxing, he has been going crazy for this toy. Romeo, go get it. He's been going crazy for this toy that I unboxed in my bark box. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch that. All right, so there's a lot of goodies in here. This is a humongous box. So, looks like it's a summertime theme, maybe? Maybe. I don't know, but this is what the card looks like there. Looks like some beer for dogs there. And Winnie is the Proud Pack member for last month. Very cute dog we got going on there. All right, so there is no other card in here, by the way. But let's see what we have, all right? So first of all, we got this beer bottle thing. You see this right here? Look at that. It is beer for dogs. You see that, y'all? This is called the Browser Beer Cockadoodle Brew, a non-alcoholic beer for dogs. Are you serious right now, y'all? This is made in the USA by 3 Busy Dogs, and it's called the Browser Beer. Refrigerate after opening. First ingredient is water. So that's what it looks like there. Well, those are the ingredients there. I'm sorry. But this, I've never heard of this. A beer for dogs. I have heard and I have seen it all. Okay, y'all? Never thought that. All right. Next thing we've got a toy here. And my dog likes toys that squeak. This is a cool penguin. I squeak and crinkle. This is what the tag looks like on the front there, and this is what the back of the tag looks like, and this is the toy. This is cute. It's got the crinkly paper in there in his belly. Oh, and he squeaks too. Okay, crinkly up here as well. All right, so nice. Glad to get that. We also have here is a star in my favorite color, red. Look at the star. And does it squeak? It squeaks. Squeaky star. My dog is trying to get at everything. Nice. All right. Next thing we have is a seahorse. I'm like, what is this? It's a seahorse. Do you squeak too? Yes, you do. There's a little squeaker in there. There it is, right there. So we have a seahorse. We also have some treats in here. These are rice chips from Loving Pets. My dog, we got these before, and my dog actually likes these. So I'm glad we got another can of those. We also have, oh, my cookie broke. This is from Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations. This was a star cookie, but mine broke in transport. Oh, man. The last cookie that we got, my dog really liked, so this will be a nice treat for him. And then the last thing that we have is from Fido's Food Truck. This is a grain-free, it looks like it's a treat. I'm not going to open this though, but that's what it looks like right there. And they're made in the USA. And they're treats. Yep, all natural ingredients. All right, friends, that is everything in this month's PetTreater. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first of all, I have from Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations, I've got the star cookie, or the sun cookie rather. From Loving Pets, I got the rice chips. From Fido's Food Truck, I believe is the company, or Exclusively Dog, maybe the company. I got the Fido's Food Truck treats. I got a cute little seahorse. I'm gonna throw this, let him go crazy. I also got a red star. Throw that so he can go crazy. I got this beer for dogs. I'm hoping my dog will like that. I also, last but not least, got this cute little penguin right here. Alright guys, that's everything in my PetTreater box this month. Pretty good box, not bad. My dog is enjoying all of his little toys right now to keep him busy for the rest of the summer. Can't wait to see what I get next month. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Because when I get to 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, and I will let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. Alrighty, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나, 난 너.